JAYCONCEPT.
Yeah, we done press already. Push to start and we're ever ready. Catch a shift. Watch your road, man, head quick. Roll with my team, ain't no road swift. Donkey power, them have 300 restoring. Now worry about gas when the team touring. Coffee them gas pedal, yeah, we flooring. Switch it up, we set the road code in a sport mode. Press it out on the toll road, we not go slow.
Stand by, tell them say we not nice. Act right, when me a 16, them say for baptized. Know me have the rifle in hand, that me my backslide, that's right. And time, full them up a carbine. Mankind, go for a long time. Unkind, don't want star shine. That's fine, pressure bus pipeline. Cut off jeans with a socks and a bad shoes. With a white tees and a hat. See the chain for me Nicky, what 1,000 carat. Couple million on me and I mean a pre-boat.
To the vlog. It is Rep Your Flag tonight. So I'm going to rep a country. And Jackie's going to rep hers. Jackie, come show them this Ghana. Look at my beautiful friend. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we're on our way out now. Hey everyone, so welcome back to the vlog. So as I was saying, this is Jackie and I on our way to the party. It is Rep Your Flag tonight. So we're repping our flag.
Happiness. We not in a with stress. Dance, we dance and I enjoy
And no. Cheers, I cupcakes, Sammy. My friend that I met last year that I talk to almost every day. I love you forever. Sorry. Oh, guys, another wholesome day in Jamaica. Another day. Look at that. When I watch this back, I'm gonna look at the background. Like, the hell. That's so nice. Come to Jamaica, guys. It'll change your life. We've met some amazing, really lovely people.
Sardines?
Very happy.
Or is that a Jamaican thing?
Another wholesome day in Jamaica, in the grill. Let me show you on Skype properly. Met some amazing people. We met never mind. I met some really cool people and just had a great day and a great Rep the Flag party at Jamaican. So tomorrow we go again. Tomorrow, whichever day, whatever one it is, we go again. Oh, we're supposed to be actually. So yeah, I'm literally gonna go get ready for bed. And then today I need to wake up and do some job applications. I need to sort out some stuff with NGA, and then we're gonna go to Rick's Cafe. I'm gonna go see the caves, and we're gonna go to the ice lollipop place, lollipops or whatever it's called. I can't remember. I'll put the name down below. Or no, I'll tell you guys again when we go. Basically, there they do like these dessert ice cream things. I think some of them have like alcohol in it, and some like chocolate dipped in Oreos and all this. It looks insane. And I've seen a few people go there. I've seen it like on Instagram, so I'm like, we're gonna go there, guys. We're gonna like go there. It's gonna be really nice. My hair, it stays. It's shrunken, obviously, but whatever. Move. Black is still beautiful. Yeah, black hair is still beautiful. Shrunken, stretch, whatever state is beautiful. Period. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then we've got the last party in the evening, which is the Igloo, which is the Jersey one. So yeah, it's gonna be great. Really looking forward to it. And I will see you guys then. Oh. Hey guys, morning. So it's breakfast again. I'm basically getting the same thing and get my banana pancakes in because they're so lit. And if you know me, guys, you know I love a smoothie. So it's amazing. Let me right now. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So hi. It's been a very interesting morning, but the Lord knows what to do best. And there's a really nice guy that I met at the bar, really cool guy, and he's like, what do you want to drink? I'm like, do you know what, let's do it. And he's like, do you want to go on the little floaty boat thing? And I was like, yeah. He's like, I've got it. I said, cool, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm on my phone at the moment because my camera's in my bag and I haven't been rolling with it, but our driver Leonardo is here. Big up Leonardo. He's gonna take us to the caves now, and then we're gonna go to Rick's Cafe. Say hi.
Yeah man, big up.
Yeah, guys, make sure you like follow him. I'm gonna leave his details and stuff at the bottom so you guys can like follow him. Make sure you book him. He's lit. He's lit. He's about to like take care of us and stuff. So yes. Did we check out this lady? I don't even know. Thank you so much. Bye. Guys, did you guys see the lady? Oh, we said bye to her, right? Yes. Oh. Cool.
So what do the cars do? Go through the same gate behind of me?
I think so, yeah. I think so. I'm gonna have to rent like a car in Kingston, but we've never driven out here before.
But you drive on the same side in England, right?
Yeah.
So it will be alright.
It'll be alright, yeah.
So.
Okay, cool.
And the roads in Kingston are bigger than these roads, so it will be better than driving down here.
Okay, but then you know, I'm thinking when we want to go to like Portland, and we take like the old, the old road, like through like, what's the
Just take the highway.
Take the highway.
Yeah man.
And go right back through Ocho and go around the coast.
Yeah man, that's what you have to do. Don't take the old road.
Because then it's the hills and all of that.
So they're working on a road right now, but I still think from Kingston, Ocho Highway.
Ocho Highway, okay, cool.
Might be shorter. They're building a highway to St. Thomas.
Okay. Oh, yeah, guys. So I was telling Leah, who named you? Who named you?
No idea. Mommy or my daddy, one out of the two.
Okay, cool.
Who named you?
My sister.
Really?
Her name's Charlene.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh, we're here, guys. So you have the caves. Are we have to go wandering through the caves though, or like do you have to?
I'm gonna talk to the front desk.
Okay, cool. Okay.
So, restaurant and the bar. Once you're supporting the restaurant and the bar, you can.
Once you're supporting the restaurant and the bar, you can go in it. Okay, cool.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn and park at the parking lot, and then we go across the road. Alright.
Okay, cool. Oh, so it's across the road?
Yeah, man. Both properties is there. Across the road and over here.
Okay.
I think over here is even for sale.
For sale?
Yeah, I think it's for sale if I'm right.
Is it like cottages or something?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Interesting. Okay.
Ah, Jaguar. Alright, so you gotta cross.
Okay, cool.
Fast. You don't walk across the road slow when you're here in Jamaica, trust me. Not at all. Especially in the cars, because my guys, they ride very, very fast.
What's the statue doing? Isn't it? Look at the one over there. Other side, no, other side. Oh. Them just very interactive. Episode done. Okay guys, so this is like the bar. Hello. 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 Hi. Not lunch I don't think. You guys hungry?
A little bit.
You hungry? Thank you. Oh, it's a cute little spot though. It's so nice.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Oh my days.
I can't believe the cat is tired.
I want to be the cat.
I'm the cat right now. I understand.
Oh my gosh. Are you hungry? Oh, you eat Rick's in it. That would be like right before we go. Cool. I think it's slow. Don't want. Oh my gosh. Huh? What are they? Is that someone climbing up on something over there? Or what is that? How pretty that is.
Very.
Okay guys, so they call this place Xtabi.
I was gonna ask you.
Yeah,
Big legs.
on this tripod, no tripod dream job. Hi guys, it's me.
Over there, it's a popular jerk place called Tree Dive Jerk Center.
Okay.
If you want to go to the cave, we can walk here on the left or over there on the right.
So if you go over here on the left, when you go, I just see it ends up in the wall. Oh, you think is there stuff gonna get wet?
Yes, you go under there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, will that stuff get wet?
Will that stuff get wet?
What do you mean by wet?
By the water?
The bar, the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Whatever you want to do. Yeah, you can carry your phone on.
How do you pronounce this? The name of this place?
Xtabi. Xtabi.
Tabi.
Yeah, Xtabi.
Xtabi. Thank you.
It's so nice.
Hey guys, so we're
Xtabi.
We're gonna go in the caves. So I'm gonna record that and we're gonna see.
Oh.
That's nice.
That's it. Xtabi were there.
Yes.
Xtabi.
That's what she said.
Xtabi.
What do you want to get?
Oh.
Whatever you want.
So we're going to the bar at the moment, guys. This is not Shaddoh's voice. Oh, Jesus. To get a drink. This is the bar, as you can see. Very, very beautiful. Very, very stunning.
Girls, what are we drinking?
Oh, I don't know. Same thing I've been drinking, I guess. Is right? Oh, is that the menu?
Do you have a sour beer?
I'll do the blended fruit.
Sorry. Just alright. Alright, I'll take that too.
2 blended fruit punch, please.
Okay.
Are they trying to get me addicted to this? And I refuse.
Excuse me? Try drink the beer. Try and drink up the good beer. Okay? Drink. Come, chug. Chug. That's what me steer. Who's going first?
You.
You're mad?
It's a bit steep. Jesus. Take a good
Rough. Well, Sammy, you first. Otis first.
Girl, you know I'm not going.
That is not me.
Oh my god. Okay,
No, poor guy.
You know what I'm drunk.
Right, that's the wrong place to go. We're not going out there.
Of course you can go down there.
Who's jumping from there? Look how high that is.
See how deep the water was?
No, the water's not deep. You can stand down there.
No, that don't look that deep, you know.
You want us to jump from right here in the water like that?
Right there.
Yeah, but from right there in the water, you want us to
Stop me saying hell no.
Is there like...
Come on.
Okay. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
I wasn't gonna do it.
Hello, hi.
We're here.
Stand on the edge of the coast for a food shot, and I'm gonna go in the cave.
Oh, we're gonna swim. Oh. Loving. Sammy's ancestors will not approve this behaviour.
That's so terrible. I'm gonna need y'all to go some balls. Everybody got a plate.
Thank you.
Slim people can't float very good.
What?
Slim people can't float very
Don't
good.
say that, please. 'Cause I'm gonna test it right now.
I can't float. But I can swim very good. Just
Okay, so that means you can be the left guard. Okay, push come to shove. Push come to shove. Who knows what this is? 10 marks gets a free trip to Jamaica.
Huh?
As you
Who's my favorite?
Me now, feel for that, man. We'll go there.
because it's by the sea. So you see how the leaves are even down? The sea is doing it to it, and then insects are on it. That's why these are probably on it too.
Okay.
It's not good. Nobody's going to smoke it. It's just here for display.
My phone is hot.
Watch the step and remember it's steep, alright?
Steep, okay. Oh, Shaddoh, don't go so fast. Thank you.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, no, I touched the wet paint.
Wait, so which way do we go? Left or right?
Oh, Shaddoh, there's still light on
Oh my
here.
gosh, there's free. There's free ways, guys. Okay, let's go this way. I know it's kind of scary. Let's try on here.
Right here's a bar.
Oh, that's cool. We're down in the caves. Okay,
If you're putting your head on before, that must be so sick to freaking like.
No, don't do that.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Girl, you're crazy. If I had braids, I probably would. I'm not gonna lie.
Put your head through.
Yeah, and swim out.
You can't even swim in the water, staying
Yes, I
there.
can swim. I can swim.
yeah, opening.
Yeah. Oh my god. Is it slippery?
Check.
Check.
Where's Sammy? She said it's slippery.
It is a bit slippery. A little bit.
Just be careful.
A little bit. Okay, cool.
Don't shake my.
No lifeguard is on duty, alright?
Jesus.
You're the lifeguard.
No. Are you gonna go in the water?
I do.
I wouldn't say to go in that water.
It's busy, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, cool.
It is busy.
Okay.
Don't move, just relax. Please. Just relax. Alright. And remember your head might hit in the thing above you, so just be careful as well, alright? Bigger than that, man. Those ones are small. Just pretty, and we should probably get to it.
Okay, cool.
I don't know what the hell you're doing.
They're having roast. They're having fun.
In Jamaica, you really see that. Like, that's something that Jamaican dogs don't go in the water.
Is it?
It must be a white man who owns them. I'm telling you. Oh, he's back up.
I think there's more over there.
It's a white man who owns them. You see how one of them even has a collar?
Yeah.
No Jamaican dog not doing that. Believe me. Gosh, water. My dogs don't even want to be short.
You see the sponge cake? Like it's like vanilla. The what? The sponge cake is vanilla. Beef patty and cocoa bread, and I'm gonna get a cake and a juice. It's vanilla, yeah.
Plain cake vanilla, you see.
Can I get that, please?
What is that?
The chocolate vanilla, yeah. Look at the vanilla cake, please. No. I'm gonna tell you everything that I want.
If you want to one in the pasta,
Yes, please. So beef patty and cocoa bread.
one beef patty,
And cocoa bread.
cocoa bread.
A water and what else? Can I have a bottle of Coke, please? Yeah. Which one do you want? I'm telling you. She said to tell her it first.
Alright, cash.
Alright.
And then if you get everybody cash for
Pardon? Yeah, beef patty and cocoa. Which one do you want to?
tuna sandwich.
Tuna sandwich. Tuna sandwich, please. Yes, please. And the vanilla cake. No. Leonardo's getting tuna sandwich. Tuna. Hey guys, so we are at Chillpops in the grill. And I'm not even sure which one I want to get here, but I know I want something that's got like the Oreo in it. So I guess we'll see. ice cream fries. I think I want the Oreo cookie cream. Oh, you got fruit-based fries. So yeah, it's the
난 재미없어 게임 같은 건 다 필요 없어 아무리 좋아도 널 말로만 지겨운 걸 먼저 와서 보여줘 먼저 와서 보여줘 'Cause I'm not gonna be the one to get hurt Hey, I'm not gonna be the one to get hurt Hey, I'm not gonna be the one to get hurt Hey, I'm not gonna be the one to get hurt I'm not gonna be the one to get hurt I'm not gonna be the one to get hurt 잠들기 전에 그리고 또 아침에 쥐고 있는 그 손은 또 없는 화면인데 느린 한마디보다 조용함이 더 좋아 기다리고 있지만 매일 이런 건 아냐 난 재미없어 게임 같은 걸 다 필요 없어 아무리 좋아도 널 말로만은 지겨운 걸 먼저 와서 보여줘 먼저 와서 보여줘 'Cause I'm
Which video watch only one? My cousin brother, long time I see you.
Yeah, it's been a while, like 2 years.
But
After escaping the pandemic.
기다리고 있지만 매일 이런 건 아냐 난 재미없어
the next episode of Jamaica is not a real place. I have been at the wall for about 6 hours.
말로만은 지겨운 걸 먼저 와서 보여줘 먼저 와서 보여줘